Ionix Labs Leggings really the next big thing in fitness wear, or are they just another overhyped product flooding the market? We decided to put these viral leggings under the microscope and see how they really perform in day-to-day use. Right off the bat, the design looks modern and trendy, promising the kind of comfort and stretch that every fitness enthusiast craves, but appearances can be deceiving. As we tested them through a mix of workouts, stretching, and casual wear, it became clear that while the fabric is soft and breathable, it doesn't always hold its shape perfectly after extended use. Comfort-wise, they are decent, not restricting movement, but there were moments when the seams felt a little tight, especially during intense squats or lunges. Durability is another mixed bag. After a few washes, the material maintained its color but showed minor pilling in certain areas, which might be a concern for long-term wear. Style points are high. The leggings look sleek and flattering on a variety of body types, but they don't necessarily outperform other mid-range brands in this department. Customer testimonials online range from extremely satisfied to frustrated with fit inconsistencies, and our experience reflects that spectrum. Price-wise, Ionix Labs leggings are slightly on the higher end for what they offer, making it important to weigh whether you're paying more for the brand hype than actual performance. When compared to other popular fitness leggings, they perform adequately but not exceptionally, and for some users, there may be better options that offer similar quality at a lower cost. Overall, these leggings sit in a gray area. They are neither a revolutionary must-have nor a complete scam. If you prioritize style and occasional comfort, they may work for you. But if you're seeking top-tier performance and long-lasting durability, it's worth exploring alternatives before committing.